everyone, welcome to Things Beautiful. So today I'm going to show you an unboxing of a beautiful necklace that I got it online. So this is from an Etsy store and this shop's name is called Bijos Wala. I've made a video about all the necklaces that I got from this store. So if you have not checked that video, please check it out. I'm going to add that link in the description as well. So as you can see, the package is very beautifully packaged and the wrap, you can see it clearly states the priority mail. So any order that you get from the shop will be mailed to you in a priority mail, which means you will get the item within a week, usually in 3 to 5 business days. So I'm just going to show you how the seller has taken so much of care to carefully package all the items, and inside there is another box to make sure like the jewelry items doesn't get crushed in the delivery process. So inside again there is another bubble wrap and some like the gift wrap sheets, so that it's kind of smooth and it doesn't have any scratches. It doesn't the jewelry doesn't get scratches. um, I have to cut open this bubble wrap as well, and oh, there is one more I'm going to do. So there are like 3 to 4 layers of bubble wrap inside, and outside the entire cover itself, it's a bubble wrap too. So the seller always, she sends in a beautiful note with the receipt. So there is a receipt for the item that you got, and then there will be a beautiful note. And like the small like a tag kind of uh, info. So this one is actually talks more in detail about all the materials that goes into that necklace. So for instance, this one had the ammonite pendant, so that's called out there. And then there are so many Nepal and Tibetan's pendant, so the coral beads are there, so that is from Nepal. And then there is the black onyx beads, so that is the main necklace and all those things. So this is very like valuable in case, like, if your friends or your cousins or someone who actually likes the necklace very much, and if they want to order a similar one, it's very important that you know what the material is made of, right? So I always try to like make sure that I keep these information safe as much as possible. Yeah, so it's always been helpful because, like, I have most of my friends have always asked about the details, so I've later shared with them. And there was also a cotton pouch to make sure, again, like, it's all, like, it all gets to you in a safe manner. So this is the necklace, very beautiful, green onyx and then black onyx, coral and silver. Is a very ethnic piece, goes very well with the Indian outfits, your traditional outfits, or you can even pair it up with a like white shirt, black shirt. It's just gonna go very well. It's so much it has like so much positive energy in it, so I just really love this necklace a lot. So I'm also going to like show how you can pair it up with the outfits, or how I have paired it up with many outfits. So this is how I paired it up with a kalamkari dupatta, like a traditional Indian outfit, so it goes really very well. And sometimes, like, if you just want to wear a western outfit, it does really go like with a toned jeans and like a white top. So this one is like more of an Indian top, but like any white shirt would definitely go well. And even you can still spice it up with a like a beautiful stole or something. So that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and please hit the notifications icon for instant notifications, and please subscribe, and thanks a lot for your time for watching. I'll catch you with more and more important interesting items in the future. Until then, it's bye bye.